All right, guys, this is the Basico Frontal. I will now explain to you the steps in details. Christy is going to turn back towards you for the lady steps. So guys, here again, you want to make sure you start with your feet closed. The first step in the Basico Frontal for the guys is left forward. Here you want to put your whole weight again on your left leg, and that's your front leg. For the ladies, that's the right leg. We continue on the second count, stepping forward. Again, whole weight is on your front leg. And here on the third count, we're going to do a marca. Okay? Make sure on the marca you do half the weight, not your whole weight. Now we're going to continue, guys, backwards. So we do our fourth count is left to the back, ladies, right to the front. Then we continue our fifth count, right to the back, guys, ladies, left to the front. And here on the sixth count, we do a marca once again. We're now going to do it on the count. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is the Basico Frontal.